We, as the union, we are asking members of parliament not to adjust the retirement age. Let it remain at 60 for able-bodied teachers and be at 65 for teachers living with disabilities. We are calling on the Ministry of Education to be proactive and continue funding education on a timely basis and not to reduce the funds to the education sector.
Tanui ohoni onanete kwaga kuiganira na kigina kiria thirikari iheaga arimu na kuria kamiti ya mbunge ya kibururi kunyagia kigina gia ciringi bilioni 15 cia kwambatiria ngathi ya arimu guku bururi-ini.
We are also asking Parliament to really look into the issue of funding the Teacher Service Commission so that they can promote more teachers. Teachers are not lesser professionals. We want to ensure that teachers are treated just like all the other professionals by providing more funds, and Parliament should be able to provide 15 billion shillings for promotion of teachers.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.